In this video, I will show how to connect Facebook and Instagram and post images and videos on there. In the first half of the video, I am going to make all the connections, and in the second half, I'm gonna do mapping on make.com. So first, we are gonna start with the Facebook, and for that, we have to go on the Facebook itself. One thing to remember is that in Make, you can post only on Instagram if your Instagram account is connected to your Facebook page. So first, we have to go on Facebook and here create a new page. So let's go to Pages, create new profile or page, and public page. Next. Now I'm gonna quickly create a page. For now, I'm gonna skip everything Facebook offered. Now, when Facebook page is created, I'm gonna go to Instagram and create new Instagram account. I'm not gonna change anything here right now. I'm gonna go straight back to Facebook. So now important step is to connect your Instagram to Facebook page. You can click somewhere here on Instagram, or if you don't see it, then go to settings, type Instagram and connect account. Connect, make sure that you are in the same browser where your Instagram is logged in. And now you have to make your Instagram account either creator or company. I'm gonna take creator. And now page and Instagram are connected, so we can now go to make. So let's make a now connection. So it doesn't matter what we choose here. And let's add connection. Click save. And connect your account. So now when you have your connection, when you click on pages, it will give you your pages you have. And let's save this one, it doesn't matter. And let's now add Instagram. Instagram is exactly the same as Facebook. As you can see, it already here gives me connection that I just did in Facebook and already gives me page, Instagram page. And that's basically it with connections. So if you now go to posting, then you can see Facebook has a lot of posting methods. First one is create a post. It's just a text post. For example, you can give AI a source and will automatically output quotes or some information about something, let's say a book. I'm not gonna do this one right now as it is quite simple. It is very simple. You only have to put a message here and if you need a link. For that you can use AI. Now I'm gonna do some example on photo posting on Facebook and Instagram. For that I'm gonna use my older scenario with older users, because if you just create freshly new Facebook and Instagram account, then probably automation is gonna run to the errors. I have made that mistake in the past and wondered why they didn't work. But for them to work properly, you need first to manage account and maybe do some postings before, run it for a couple of days and only then start automations. Because Instagram, for example, needs to verify that you're a human and so on. If you can do all the verifications in the beginning, then you're good to go. So to create a photo post, you need Facebook Pages module. Not just Facebook, but Facebook Pages. And here you can search for create a post or create a post with a photo. I'm gonna straight away do with the photo. So I'm gonna choose create a post with a photo, or you can choose with the multiple photos. So make sure you have right connection and right page. So here in the photos, you have two options. You have to choose, are you uploading photo or downloading photo from URL? For example, right now, if I press upload a photo, in that case, I'm gonna need a file name and data. But if I want to download photo from URL, then I'm gonna need downloadable URL. For example, this one. Caption is something that image is called when you download it, for example. And message is something that is visible for the other users. For example, they can be exactly the same, or you can just ask AI to generate one. Let's click save. For Instagram, it's basically very similar. You need to choose Instagram for business with Facebook login and create a photo post. Make sure you have right connection and page. And here you only need photo URL. And as AI is giving me downloadable URL, then it's good to go. Caption. It is the one that is visible for everyone. And if you want to use locations, then you can't just write here any text. For that you have to use ID. Let's run this module one time. This is the scenario that I'm using to upload photos daily to all my social media accounts for different projects. And it uploads to TikTok, to X, to Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, many different places you want. You can watch my other previous videos if you don't know how to do it, or let me know, I will do a next video about this interesting scenario. So now let's go to Facebook. And now here in Facebook you can see 1 minute ago a beautiful day in Spain. Let's go to Instagram. And here on Instagram you can see that 2 minutes ago it added this beautiful picture with a caption. So this is how you upload photos to Facebook and Instagram. I'm gonna show you also how to create a post with the multiple photos. For that you basically need multiple sources, but otherwise it's basically same. So again, I'm gonna use download URL. Actually, let's make this third one, upload a photo. I'm not sure that XAI will work with this, so I'm just gonna add HTTP module in between. Let me remove those previous photo postings that we just did. And here you can see if you do upload a photo, then it takes file name and data. So this is also the way. Let's click save. And now let's add Instagram with the same thing. Create a carousel post. And let's start adding files. I'm uploading right now only images, so I need URL. So of course you can add more things like user tags. For example, I'm gonna tag the same account. Here you can position it where you want. For example, I'm gonna put it right in the middle. And let's click save. Right now what it's gonna do is upload the same image 3 times. But if you want to upload different images, then you just can put a repeater in front of it and it will generate 3 images, and then you can 3 different images. Things like this I'm gonna show more in the upcoming videos, because right now I'm just only focusing on posting Facebook and Instagram. So now if you go back to Facebook and refresh, then you can see a post with 3 photos. They are right now identical. And if you go to Instagram and refresh, you can see that on Instagram it has also a post with 3 different photos. Next thing that I'm gonna show is how to upload videos. If you don't know how to build anything before Facebook and Instagram, in that case you should watch my previous videos where I explain very much this module and how it works. But for now, let's show 2 different ways for Facebook and 2 different ways for Instagram. For Facebook, you can upload a video onto Facebook page. In here, once again, you can choose, are you uploading a video or downloading it from specific URL. If you're choosing upload a video, then it's gonna once again need file name and data. And if URL, then you just need URL from example from the drive. But it has to be download URL. I'm gonna use upload a video this time. Description is something that AI has generated me. And let's click save. Second method is Reels. So if you take Facebook pages and write here Reels, Reel, then you can publish a Reel. I'm gonna just publish the same video, but for upload method, you can once again choose data file or URL. For this time, I'm gonna use, for example, URL, downloadable URL. The description is something that AI is generated, and also the title. And click save. So now when I run this, it will upload a video to Facebook page and also upload video as a reel. Then for Instagram, there is only one module, is reel. You can only create a reel post, which is basically the same as in Facebook. Let me add caption. For cover frame, you can leave empty or write seconds in which is best frame. For example, let's add 12 here. So in the 12-second frame that is shown in the Reels. And maybe the most interesting button is here down below, which is share to feed. If you press no, it's only gonna be as a reel, but if you press yes, then it's gonna be also shown on your Instagram page. So in Facebook, for that you needed 2 modules, but in Instagram you only need 1. So let's click save and let's run this one time. So now it's taking video from the OneDrive, creating a caption and starting upload to Facebook. Okay, we have an error. Let me check. Maybe it needed data file instead of URL. Okay. Okay, now it's gonna work. So interestingly, it wanted data file instead of URL. So okay, next time I'm gonna use only this. If you don't have data file but only have URL, then you can do exactly the same as I just did with the photo posting. I added HTTP module in between, and so you can feed this module a URL and then it will output you data file. So now it's all finished. Let's go to Facebook. Let's refresh it. You can see it now uploaded it as a reel, and here is uploaded as a post. Now if you go to Instagram, then you can see it is published here, and if you go to Reels, then the same Eiffel Tower is right here. So this is how you upload your videos and photos to Facebook and Instagram. Here is a big way to play around. You can upload multiple photos and videos at the same time, but basically the main settings are something like this. So one more time, if you are interested how to upload to other social media platforms, then you should watch my previous videos. You all can also leave down in the comments what you are interested to see next. But for now, have a great day.